If you're a business owner, you've definitely heard the buzz. AI will boost your profits. And if you've even thought about adopting AI into your workflows, you've probably seen titles like 5 AI tools that will transform your business today. The promise of instant results, zero effort, big wins. But here's the truth. Most of these shiny tools sell a sort of dream. They deliver, but more with simply being productive, rather than a results-driven outcome in your business. Because in the next couple of years, AI will change everything in the world of business. Faster output, better decision-making, higher profit margins. But the winners of the spoil won't be the ones on a premium subscription for an AI copy tool and a handful of generic automations. The real acceleration will come to businesses that build fully custom AI agents, trained on their own data, plugged into their unique systems, and aligned with their culture and goals. Let's break it down. Quick AI solutions are pretty broad and generic. These AI tools are built for quick fixes and solutions. Summaries, calendars, emails, basic automations. You've probably used one yourself. But your business? It's not basic. Let's say you run a fitness coaching business and want to grow revenue by 15% by the end of the year. With a bit of reverse engineering, you find that you need to get more clients, improve your onboarding, build an outreach system that converts better than you. Now just putting in a plug-and-play AI subscription tool won't solve that. Why? Because it doesn't know your strategy. It doesn't know what's worked for you before. It doesn't care about your brand or customer experience. If you want AI to work, it needs to think like your business, fully adapting to your business strategy, matching your voice, selling the way you sell, and execute a playbook that represents your years of experience. That's where AI integration comes in, where the AI is custom built around your systems and tailored towards your needs. Because let's face it, if you use an AI tool out there, so will your competitors. And because they more likely work the same for all their users, you are less likely to stand out in your competitive field, where others are also making use of AI. One thing we need to know is that tools automate tasks, not outcomes. Most quick AI tools automate tasks. Cool. That's what will make them limited to being a productivity tool, but not a lucrative one. A study from BCG showed that AI projects without process redesign only deliver about 10% ROI. So what actually works? AI embedded across workflows, not just slapped on top. That's what 84% of high ROI AI companies are doing. They don't just automate, they integrate AI into the way their business operates end to end. So while think they're finding gold, you're digging up diamonds. The last reason is what I'd like to call the scalability ceiling. Quick tools hit a ceiling, fast. They're built for simplicity, not scale. Most people think growth is about simply doing more. More clients, more output, more fulfillment. But real scale is about building repeatable systems that get smarter over time. Example, let's say your sales team gets more replies when they use a specific phrase in emails. With AI integration, your system can learn that pattern and roll it out across your entire outreach strategy automatically. Generic tools can't do that. They don't go deep enough. They're task tools, not strategic systems. And even when they offer enterprise plans, costs rack up fast. At that point, it's cheaper and smarter to build your own AI stack around your needs. Just a final thought. Quick AI tools feel like progress, but they rarely move the needle. If you want real results, don't just use AI. Integrate it. Build it around your business. Train it on what works. Because in a world where everyone is using the same tools, the only advantage left is customization. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to accelerate your business with AI, we're offering free one-to-one strategy calls until the end of November 2025. This is your chance to kickstart AI integration and get ahead of the 85% still struggling to implement it effectively. Just click the link in the description below to book your call.